Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change my number on WeChat. So if you had second thoughts and you want to change your number on WeChat and you want to, verify and all that and do all these stuffs, just go ahead to your browser right here and let's search for the topic itself and scroll a little bit down until you find the how to unlink your phone number from WeChat. Now, if you want to unlink your previous number, sorry. If you want to unlink your previous number on WeChat, just go ahead and start at me and then go ahead to the settings and you're gonna find account security, move along to the phone and then change mobile. And after changing to a new number, your previous phone number will be unlinked. Hence, you'll be able to verify the new number and then you'll be able to verify it via SMS mostly, and then you're gonna use it right away and then you unlink your previous phone number. Alright, let's wait on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.